Hi, this is Lakshay. Welcome back to Coding Casually. And today, what we'll build is we will try to build a time delay using a very simple module, a very simple example, so that you can understand that you can put a time delay while you're making applications or while you're doing automation using Python. So I have my Jupyter notebook open. What I'll do is I'll create a new notebook, and what we'll try to do is we will try to punch in time after every delay. So for that, what we can do is we can of course import time, and we can import date time, and what we can do is we can write a simple loop. So for I will try to print it for 100 times, so 100, and then if I do print date time dot now, you'll see that it prints the day time just like that. But I want it to print after every 10 seconds. So first we will convert the same into time. We will write strf time, and then we will push in the format that we need. We need h, which is the hours, and then we need m, which are the minutes, and then we need s. And then if I say now it's the time, but again we need to put a delay. So what we can do here is we can write sleep, and then we can push it 5 seconds. So right now, the moment I'll press shift enter, it will give me the time after 5 seconds for 100 times. So we'll wait for 5 seconds, and you'll see that there is a print of this one. So now the next one should possibly at 1, yeah, of course, which is the 8, and then it'll be at 5. I'm talking about the seconds here, right? See, so this is how you put a time delay. This can be done for web scraping or anything that you wish to, for a backend one, for processing, for creating calculators, for creating notebooks, for creating cookbooks, any of the beginner applications that you want to try. And this is how you put a time delay. If you think this has helped you or will help some other one who actually getting his hands into Python, please recommend the same video, please share the video, please like and subscribe the channel.